stopped him, I had told him, don't know how you get down with them clowns, but I'm a soldier. No one could understand, I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied through, backstabbed and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can pay these millions, baby.
Yeah, super tired. Gazela, yo, I hate waking up in the morning. Yo guys, I'm not a morning person. Fine, yo. Let's get the day started. Oop, 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 oop. I'm so tired. That's like I'm feeling opening lale. No, this is not my life. This is not what I signed up for. No. Cut me off. Period.
Tell me, have you seen us? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I'm gonna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, oh. Excuse me, Miss and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. Are you trying to leave this? I said,
Sanibonani, my name is Tsepiso Mtsetsanga and I'm on channel yami. If you're a regular at T Squad, thank you so much for coming back by. And if you're in this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T Squad. So guys, on today's vlog, I'm doing a maintenance vlog and I'm also meeting up with my friend in this vlog. I don't know, maybe going out for dinner, lunch, breakfast. I'm not sure yet. We're still deciding. We're not sure yet. And also guys, for sure you did see the previous clip. I did my cute sets and I also did my cornrows. Love them. The only thing that's left in my maintenance is me doing my lashes and also doing my eyebrows. I have to do my eyebrows and I'm done pampering myself. And go about wow guys, you're busy maintenance, you're busy. Yo, South Africa, cut me off. Wow, wow, I'm broke. You're broke. Joking guys, I'm just joking. Gadlala, whoa. Gadlala guys, gadlala. Please continue watching the vlog guys. I hope you are enjoying and yeah, nothing else. Love you lots again. Sanalam, love you lots T Squad.
This one I got to baby jabata. I know get time jabata. That cover my face, call it you go. All the better. Right, I know fit. Life or nothing. What's the complaint? You are the all you can do. They get the right, you go do. I know fit. Die for nothing.
Let's go! Woo! Bese sikhona simhlophe. Yamesha nje outfit. Now bese siblue phela ngiyilokho ngiyibuza.
Imanga singayiswipe.
Seluka ikhipha. Hayi, ngiyakupha ngokuvlogtober sis.
Oh, you remember phela futhi zesi.
Ushade later.
Birthday
October. Ngifaka October.
Oh.
Hey, kahle nje uthole October.
Ufundiswa ukuvlogger oh.
Ngivlogela October nje. Nale nje izongena maduse ngo-October.
I'm outside in an MG, right outside TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right.
Hey T Squad, hey guys. So guys, I just want to update you on the previous clip because I did tell you that I'm meeting up with my friend. We're gonna go for lunch or dinner. We ended up going for lunch, late lunch. God, the only problem was we were taking content like crazy, name, and I forgot to vlog, guys. And the phone I'm using is the one that I'm taking content with, right? So I couldn't vlog and take pictures and take Instagram videos and I had to choose one platform and I chose Instagram. And guys, it sounds rude, I chose Instagram. Ngoba I'm not an Instagram hand like that, yabo. But nje ngibona ukuthi kade kagcina uthatha iy'thombe za-Instagram and videos. So I decided ukuthi ngithathe pictures for Instagram and reels for Instagram. Ngiyaxolisa guys, ngiyaxolisa ngiyazi ukuthi mina nilindele content kodwa ke ngiphinde ngibenzele lo phutha. Ngiphinde ngichoose Instagram more than YouTube because YouTube is my baby, guys. I love YouTube. Ngiyawuthanda YouTube, but nangu-ke mina creating content for Instagram. What's why? Angas. Thing is back. And another thing, guys, I bought a 10-inch wig. How's it going to This is 10-inch wig from a good but this is my bar. Abengola mina guys, ngangimind abengola. This is my bob, guys. It's good quality, as you can see. Soft silk. Guys. Wow. Crazy business. Crazy. You can't hold you in my arms. I just wanna take the stress away from you. Making sure that I'm doing my part. Boy, is there something you want to do? If you want it, say the word, try it. And now whatever I'm not fulfilling, another woman is willing. I'm gonna fulfill you my right. When you come home, tell me on my shoulder, I will over. Baby, it hurts.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?